Welcome. Today's video will show how to make peach marmalade. I have 3 kilograms here. First, I'll wash the peaches well. After washing, the peaches will be chopped into smaller pieces for the jam. This year, our nectarines are fantastic, so we decided to make a jam. Now that we've chopped the peaches, I'll add 500 grams of sugar, then mix it all together. I'll leave everything like this to sit for about 30 minutes. And in the meantime, preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. After 30 minutes, I preheated the oven. And now that the oven is heated, I'll stir the peaches again and take everything to cook. After an hour of cooking, the whole mixture looks like this. Now, I'll take a hand blender and grind everything. Now that I've ground everything and gotten a mushy consistency, I'll add 1 jam fix 3-in-1. I've decided to add jam fix to get the store-bought thickness once it cools down completely. Now I'll put this mush back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes in the oven, the marmalade looks like this. We pour the marmalade into previously washed and sterilized jars at 100 degrees for 15 minutes. We'll close each jar tightly and then turn it upside down. Leave them like this until they cool down. When I poured the marmalade, I purposely poured it into this one small jar, so that after 2 days I can show you what I've made. Also, I want to see, since it's my first time making something like this. It's not as firm as store-bought marmalade, but it's nicely spreadable and firm enough. It holds up well, you can see for yourself. Perfect. And the taste? Perfect, just like apricot. No difference, phenomenal.